So we're still tracking gold on all-time highs, and it's a new week and then new possible trading opportunities. But I want you to share with you the concept of people or traders looking for a holy grail. There is a tendency for traders to want to look for the best systems and then also the best trading strategy. And they always do that thinking that they will find it. And in the end, this unsettles them. What you need to understand as a trader is all human endeavors, whether they are psychological, economical, or social, these are like religions, economic policies, and the political parties or systems of governance that we have, none of them actually has the Holy Grail. You may think democracy is closer to a Holy Grail until you find the loopholes in it, or any other, or communism, or any other political system. The same way with economic systems and policies, there will always be a loophole in them. That also applies to social settings like religion. If you look at the fact that there are more than thousands of religions in the world today, with each and every one of them saying they are the right one, should actually give you the idea that, oh, maybe just people don't know what they're doing, and there is no holy grail in that. So this same issue here is being brought into trading, and you will see traders being deceived that somebody out there has 100% win rate. The idea of trading is that when you see the charts and the movement, this is usually a collective traders psychology, and there is an input from different traders, whether institutions or retailers. And this usually actually makes it very hard for you to be able to achieve a holy grail. You can have a winning system, so maybe up to 80, 70, 60%. But the closest thing that will always get you to a holy grail is risk management, proper position sizing. And when you calculate your risk well, you are closer to a, a holy grail. And once you understand this, you will begin to go through the thicks and the thins of your trading systems. It will not always be good. And then you stick to it without change because you want to settle. Searching for holy grail unsettles you. So I'm going to break down gold to you, and I want you to observe gold from these key levels here. So we've been tracking gold for quite a long time, but while we track it, I want you to just understand this simply and briefly. The idea of looking for holy grails in trading unsettles traders. All social, economic, and political human endeavors have zero perfections. You must learn to go through the thicks and the thins of your trading systems. Proper risk management is the closest thing to a holy grail. So once you understand this, then you can begin to break down gold or any other pair like you would. So this is gold on the daily time frame on a new week. So we've been tracking gold here. Once it broke this to the upside, we were like, yeah, we'll get a trade. But unfortunately, we haven't gotten a trade. But what I want you to observe right now on the daily time frame here is the fact that market has not even returned to these all-time highs and then breaks. And then what has the market done again here? Here we see another price difference candle. Okay, so that means now it will be very impossible or very, very hard. It will take long time before actually we can actually come back to these lows here because we have an area of price difference. So what could happen here is that market could come into this and then maybe continue. The only time in which we will look to for market to come below is if this is broken. So once you have this, we can just scale to the lower time frame, which will be the 4-hourly, and we'll begin to see whether we can actually get a trading opportunity. Now, we're looking for trading for market to be able to pull back into this price difference area and then give us that move to the upside. But what I want you to observe here, the market is actually breaking the highs. So that means we're on an uptrend. This high has been broken. And then we have another high here also, which has also been broken. So now we can just work with the nearest high, which is this one here, before we can even think about this and then this one here. So once you have this, you can just scale to your lower time frame, whether it is 1 hour or whatever time frame it is. So we can begin to work with this high. So what do we possibly need for us to be able to trade? If price pulls back into this area and then we have a break into this, then we can go like that. So this is the move I would want to look for today, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, unless something else happens. So we are bullish Not until these lows have been broken, the market breaks into below this high and then this one here. So let's see how gold is going to play out this week. We're bullish. And then once we get a position, we will be able to send it into I will send it into our group here, which is Throne Trades. And then the other concepts we've explained, they're always on our YouTube. You can check them out. So let's see how gold plays out this week.